Hi, welcome to another instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a video louder using VCut. To start you need to open this application. After that, choose the ratio that you like for your video. Once the editor is launched, you can start uploading your video file by hitting the import button and then choose import file. Browse for the video you prefer and then open it. When the file is uploaded, you can drag and drop it into the timeline to begin editing. To increase the video's volume, all you need to do is to double-click the file and from the pop-up select Audio tab. From here you can start adjusting your video's volume by moving the slider from left to right and click OK when you're satisfied. Now to save the changes made, just click the export function located at the upper left portion of the app. Another window will appear. Simply select the format that you prefer along with the title and then click export once again.
I'm Sonic, a little ball of super energy in an extremely handsome pack. I'm Sonic, a little ball of super energy in an extremely handsome pack.
And that's how to increase the volume of your video using VCut. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.